Start by verifying the technician you call has a current license and insurance and will provide a written estimate before work begins. When choosing a reputable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning company, focus on verifiable credentials and documented processes. Ask for the technician's license number and confirm it with the issuing state or local authority so you are certain it is active and appropriate for the work you need. Request proof of general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance, and photograph or keep copies of those documents so you have a record if something goes wrong. Demand a clear, itemized written estimate that lists parts, labor, hourly rates, and any fees for diagnostic visits, and explain the warranty terms for parts and labor in plain language. Check multiple sources for reviews and ratings, and read recent customer accounts to detect recurring issues such as missed appointments, unfinished work, or surprise charges. When you get references from the company, follow up directly and ask about punctuality, cleanliness, adherence to the estimate, and whether the problem was definitively solved. Most common mistakes are hiring based solely on the lowest quoted price, which often leads to cut corners, so compare detailed estimates and prioritize certifications and warranties over cheapest bids. Another frequent issue is forgetting to verify credentials on the spot, which can be fixed by asking for and confirming license and insurance before scheduling and insisting that the technician bring identification to the appointment. A third problem is not getting the agreement in writing, which opens you to disputes, so always request and keep an itemized written contract and a final invoice showing what was done and any remaining guarantees. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and share practical guidance about projects like heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repairs. Our site connects contractors seeking work with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where members exchange referrals, experiences, and advice.